We must be able to see that there is purpose to what we do. When we don't, our actions feel pointless. Purpose is one of the fundamental keys to motivation. Imagine if your work life consisted of a series of unending tasks with no connection to purpose. Or to put it another way, that your work doesn't matter to anyone. Think about how this would affect your motivation to be at work and to do your work. For most of us, it would be crushing. Eventually, we would stop working. Here are some simple questions to ask in order to help you or others focus on purpose for the sake of motivation. 1. What are you as an organization trying to achieve in the big picture beyond profit? Or another way to ask that is, how is your organization trying to make the world a better place? 2. How does the work you do contribute toward that purpose? And 3. On a daily basis, how does the work you do matter for the colleagues and clients you serve? We come to work to serve a purpose. We need to know that our work matters to someone. When you want to be motivated or motivate others, focus on purpose and how the work you do matters to those around you.